Breaking news. Igbos don't believe in making noise to produce Buhari's successor. Okeke says. You're welcome to the news. Now listen to the news details carefully. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The former chairman, Police Service Commission, PSC, Chief Okeke, has said that the Igbo need not shout on top of their roofs for them to be taken seriously about their readiness to produce a Nigerian president of Igbo extraction. Chief Okeke, speaking with journalists at his Akata home, Amichi, Onewu South local government area, Anambra State, said that it was not the person or ethnic group that made the loudest noise that would produce the next president of the country. He added that a Nigerian president of Igbo extraction would be achieved with the underground work and measures Ndugbo had taken, and not by making the loudest noise. He agreed that there were some actions expected of Igbo politicians who were interested in occupying the exalted office of the president. He also noted that Igbo politicians interested in the position were already doing their groundwork and could only make noise that would be effective to their ambition of clinching the exalted seat, not unnecessarily loud noise that has no effect on the pursuit of their goal. Igbos are currently engaging with the right people across various ethnic nationalities. That is what is required, and not shouting to the rooftop like others are doing, which at the end of the day does not add value or anything positive to their ambition. And secondly, some politicians have not yet accepted that Nigeria is for all of us, and not for some particular people or ethnic groups who feel it is their exclusive right to always produce the president of the country. I believe that the reason you have not heard so many politicians of Igbo extraction declaring interest is that in Southeast, people are spellbound and could not believe that there is so much pressure to be mounted before Nigerians from other ethnic groups would accept that it is the turn of Ndugbo to produce the next president of Nigeria after the incumbent. Many politicians of Igbo extraction are so spellbound that as the tenure of incumbent president is gradually coming to an end, it will be like a walkover affair that Igbo will be allowed to produce the next president of the country. It is a fate accomplished. There will be no contest from other ethnic nationalities, but they are shocked about the aspiration of some people from the north and southwest who are declaring an interest. However, we are Igbo people. We are not disturbed. We are known for our large hearts. We are confident that we have their match. But one would have expected some certain rules to be played by Southeast governors, National Assembly members, and serving ministers on the ambition of Ndugbo to produce the Nigerian president of Igbo extraction. But they seem not to be doing that. We believe it is not yet late for them to put their acts together and work to achieve that political goal. We are expecting a wake-up action from the Southeast governors, National Assembly members, and serving ministers to play the roles expected of them, he said. Chief Okeke is saying that those who make the loudest noise are empty, that the Igbo people don't believe in making noise to produce Buhari's successor. They are working underground to know who will be the president from the Igbo extraction. That there should not be any noise about it. We all know that Nigeria is for every one of us. Nigeria is not for a particular ethnic or a particular person who is the one making sure that it is the candidate of his choice that he puts in power. Igbo are doing their underground job to making sure that when it is time, they come out and speak up concerning their candidate for the presidential election. Now, Okeke is also saying, concerning the 2023 presidential election, says the 9 Igbo presidency will be highest level of marginalization against Igbo. Former chairman, Police Service Commission, PSC, and President Pan Ndugbo Foundation, PNF, Chief Simon Okeke, in this exclusive interview at his Amici, Unewu South Local Council, Anambra State home, spoke on many national issues, including the Biafra secession agitation by the indigenous people of Biafra, Ipob, tackling insecurity, 2023 polls and production of Nigeria president of Igbo extraction, among others. On Igbo leaders' appeal to President Muhammadu Buhari. First of all, agitation by Ipob arose as a result of injustice, failure to have a level playing ground for all Nigerians, free and fair treatment of everybody. The agitation is equally fueled by inequality, lack of equity, and treatment of some sections of the country as if they are slaves, while their counterparts are pampered and never believe that they can do anything wrong. However, negotiating Nnamdi Kanu out of detention is a good move. Now the question asked, do you see IPOB agreeing and supporting the dialogue and negotiation plans? He responded, yes, they will agree. IPOB has shown responsibility with Anambra State governorship election. IPOB will not be said to be unyielding. The Anambra governorship election is an example of IPOB's responsibility. With time, people will know that what they are made to know about IPOB may not be correct. As far as I know, a peaceful agitation or protest is not an offense in Nigeria and all over the world. What is your take on Nigerian president of Igbo extraction? He said, one thing I know that is clear is that if there is no Nigeria president of Igbo extraction, as long as there is restructuring, Igbo do not mind. Thank you for tuning in to the news once again. Please kindly share your thoughts with us. Will the Igbo be the one to emerge as the Nigerian president in year 2023? Thank you once again. Have a blessed day.